I like
I like these home decorations.
We knew that we wanted our living room to be open concept because we have such a big sectional.
We bought a house centered around whether our sectional would fit or not.
The vision we had when renovating our home was a modern farmhouse look. I knew that I could find most of everything that I wanted at Goodwill. I found tons of mirrors, a couple benches. All of that stuff was easy to DIY.
So the first pieces that went up on our wall were 2 cast iron trees that Andrea had found from Goodwill. I had some cabinet doors that were left over from buying this house and put them together, and it ended up looking amazing.
When I found this piece at Goodwill, it needed some major TLC. I threw some chalk paint on it, and now it's the perfect focal point for my entryway.
Oh, look at them.
Ooh, I like that one.
I got this hanging shelf idea off Pinterest, and Andrea has decorated it with all her Goodwill finds.
We had this unusable space behind the couch. I knew that we needed to find a long, skinny table. I actually found a coffee table for $19.99 at Goodwill. It's perfect, it fits the space, and it's exactly what we were looking for.
I love shopping at Goodwill because I can find one-of-a-kind accent pieces, like this ampersand sign I got for $3.99. Plus, it even lights up.